Hello everyone. So in this particular video I'm going to show you how can you implement search engine optimization in Udemy platform. So this would be practical video, and in this particular video we will use ChatGPT for SEO technique, and also you can do it manually, but we can use ChatGPT. So let's start our video. So first of all, if you go on instructor page and if you click on upload course, then you will see this option: plan your course, create your content, publish your course. And here now the question is where you have to apply SEO technique. So here you can see course title, course subtitle. Here you can apply SEO technique, and also you have a description in which you can apply search engine optimization concept. And then here you can select your category, and this is also important for search engine optimization. And this is our course image. This would be also important for our SEO point of view. Okay, so this was our area where we have to apply our SEO concept. So in the past videos we have picked our main topic, which is Filmora 12. So basically I will start making course on Filmora 12. Sorry, I have already created my course, and if you go on curriculum section, then you can see here I have uploaded my all videos. So now it's time to apply our SEO technique. So to apply SEO, we have to go on course landing page. So your SEO technique will apply only in course landing page. First of all, we have to make SEO friendly title. So we can do it manually, or we can use ChatGPT. So basically, first of all, you have to identify that what is your main keyword. So in this particular case, my main keyword is Filmora 12. So it should return first in our main title, and after that you have to select some small keyword we should use in your title, like beginner to pro level, and also 2023 is also one of the popular SEO text. You have to make your title in such a way that it should look like more engaging. You can also type here beginner to pro level guide. I have already made my course title, but I will show you how can we make it with ChatGPT. So just go on ChatGPT, and here you have to guide ChatGPT to make SEO friendly title. And here you have to apply some SEO technique which I have already shared with my past video. So here you have to guide ChatGPT and follow this. Make SEO friendly title. Make SEO friendly title for Filmora 12 course. Make SEO friendly title for Filmora 11 course that should contains. As you can see, I am guiding ChatGPT to use some specific word like Filmora 12, and that should contain 2023, beginner to pro, comma, master class. Write Filmora at the starting of the text. If you are using ChatGPT to make your title or description, then you have to tell it your SEO concept. Let's hit the enter button. Filmora 12 course 2023 beginner to pro master class for video editing. This is looking so professional and engaging, but if you are not satisfying with this, then you can also tell this, not exactly, show me more. And here you can see we have different version of our title. You can also type here show me 10 more. It will make 10 different title for your course. So you can use any of them, and also you can combine any of two title. So I have already created, and since I am using AI tool, so it will not repeat it text. So this is how you can select your course title. If you will use words like beginner to pro or 2023 or beginner to pro level guide, it will look like more engaging and attractive, and it may help people to join your course. So this is how you can create professional course title.